Hello everyone, and welcome back to Pretty Aura. Who knew a little jar of Vaseline could do so much? Today I'm sharing 28 genius ways to use Vaseline that will totally transform how you see this simple product. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for hack 28. It's a total lifesaver. Let's dive in. Say goodbye to chapped lips. Are dry lips ruining your day? Just swipe on a little Vaseline and you'll have soft, hydrated lips in no time. No expensive lip balm needed. Get glowing skin without makeup. Want that fresh, dewy glow? Dab a bit of Vaseline on your cheekbones and you'll look naturally radiant in seconds. Tame unruly brows effortlessly. Struggling with wild eyebrows? A tiny bit of Vaseline can keep them perfectly in place all day. Turn dry hands into silky softness. Rub Vaseline on your hands like lotion and feel the difference instantly. No more dryness, no more cracks. Just smooth skin. Make your perfume last all day. Here's a hack you'll love. Rub Vaseline on your pulse points before spraying your perfume. It locks in the scent, making it last way longer. Control frizz and flyaways. Are pesky flyaways ruining your hairstyle? A small dab of Vaseline is all it takes to smooth them out. Revive your dried mascara. Don't throw away that clumpy mascara just yet. Add a little Vaseline to the wand and it'll work like it's brand new. Fix cracked heels while you sleep. Apply Vaseline generously to your heels. Put on socks and wake up to feet so soft they feel brand new. DIY lip scrub for soft, kissable lips. Mix Vaseline with sugar for an easy lip scrub. It's quick, it's cheap, and it works wonders. Remove makeup with ease. Out of makeup remover? Vaseline melts away even waterproof mascara. Quick, easy, and gentle on your skin. Protect your hairline from hair dye stains. Apply Vaseline around your hairline before coloring to avoid those annoying dye stains. Shave without shaving cream. No shaving cream? No problem. Vaseline works as a great substitute and leaves your skin feeling extra smooth. Keep razors sharp longer. Want your razors to last longer? After shaving, dry the blade and apply a thin layer of Vaseline to prevent rust. Your razor will stay sharp for many more uses. Shiny nails, no polish needed. Rub Vaseline on your nails for a natural, glossy shine that looks effortlessly chic. Prevent blisters before they start. Are new shoes giving you blisters? Rub Vaseline on the areas where your shoes rub, and you're good to go. Protect your skin from hair bleach burns. Applying bleach at home? Rub Vaseline on your ears, neck, and forehead to avoid burns or irritation from the bleach. Restore scratched shoes. Scuffed leather shoes? Vaseline can bring them back to life. Just rub it in and buff it out. Make earrings more comfortable. Got sensitive ears? Apply a little Vaseline to the earring post before putting them on. Smooth out split ends in seconds. Rub a tiny amount of Vaseline on the ends of your hair to tame split ends and give a sleek look. Soothe dry cuticles. Dry, peeling cuticles? Massage a little Vaseline around your nails to hydrate and soften them instantly. Turn powder makeup into cream. Mix Vaseline with your favorite powder eyeshadow to create a creamy, blendable formula. Achieve that glossy eyelid look. Want that trendy, glossy lid effect? Dab some Vaseline on your eyelids for that editorial finish. Protect minor cuts and scrapes. No Band-Aid? Vaseline acts as a protective barrier, helping small cuts heal faster. Preserve your favorite skincare products? Running out of your favorite cream or serum? Mix a small amount of Vaseline with it to make it last longer while keeping your skin moisturized. Keep your fridge seals in top shape. Even your fridge can benefit from Vaseline. Apply it to the rubber seals to keep them flexible and long-lasting. Fix a stuck zipper. Rub a little Vaseline on a stubborn zipper, and it will glide smoothly in no time. Remove tight rings without a fuss. Struggling to take off a tight ring? A bit of Vaseline will make it slide right off. Prevent hair dye stains on hands and nails. Before dyeing your hair, apply Vaseline to your nails and hands to keep them stain-free. Who knew Vaseline could do all this, right? Now it's your turn. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips like these. Spread the glow, and I'll see you in the next video.